Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Who's this with you?
This is the CEO of Web3sy.
Hi.
Hello.
And I am an intern for Web3sy.
So where are we today?
Today we are in Soapbox. This is where we work on our in-person days and we do our co-working.
Do you come here every day for your internship?
No, I do not. I only come here on Wednesdays. On Mondays and Fridays, we work asynchronous. You can follow me and we can walk through the building.
What was the coolest part about your internship?
I think the first week of my internship, I think this was really my first day, we went to London Tech Week, and that was so crazy because it's such a huge event, and I got to do that in my first week. I thought that was so cool, and I met all like really cool people. Big organizations were there, so I had a lot of fun.
Oh wow, that's so cool. How was the London work environment being different from the US?
I think people are the way they seem. Like the way that they seem at work, that's their personality. I think in the US people tend to be a little bit more formal and then they open up if you become friends with them. But here I think you get what you get.
What surprised you the most about living in London?
What surprised me the most is how long the lunch is. Our lunch is like 30 to 20 minutes. Here it's like an hour, so I thought that was really cool.
Speaking of lunch, where did you take your lunch?
There's a park nearby here and I go there and I love it so much because here there's such a big park culture where people love going to the park and eating lunch or hanging out with their friends or just doing all these things. And I think that's really cool. We don't really have that back in the US.
Yes, I love parks. What is one skill you're happy to be walking away with?
I learned how to use new platforms. So that was really cool. It was a little tricky at first, but just learning them, I thought, really cool stuff.
What has been your favourite project you have worked on?
Ooh, this one. I love this.
What's something you know now that you didn't know before joining?
That's a good question. I think marketing in my head seems, oh, like this is gonna be easy, it won't take that much time, but when I really start working on a project, I realize, wow, this is a lot of work. There's a lot of little things that go into it. And a lot of tiny details that you have to focus on. So I know that now.
Okay, rapid fire questions.
Okay.
Mac or Windows?
Mac.
Morning or night?
Morning.
Remote or office?
Remote.
Coffee or tea?
Tea.
AI or blockchain?
AI.
One emoji that sums up your internship?
Maybe the smile emoji.
Breakfast or lunch?
Breakfast.
Tube or bus?
Tube if you want to get there fast, and bus if you want the views.
Yes. What is a hidden gem in London everyone should visit?
This is not necessarily a hidden gem, but I love sitting by the Thames no matter where it is. Just find a spot and sit. I love it.
Yeah. Your favourite London view?
Canary Wharf.
Oh yes. Best commute playlist song?
Weirdly, I don't have a commute playlist. I like listening to people talking and doing things. It's just so fun.
And lastly, what will you miss most about London?
I'll miss that there's always something to do. I know back in the US, you have to drive everywhere. The things to do, at least in my area, is just getting food or doing these activities that are like a lot bigger scale. But here there's always smaller things going on, so I love that so much.
Thank you for answering our questions. I'll let you get back to your work now.
Okay, we'll walk back. Thank you, bye.